Hi everyone. Today you and I are going to understand what corrective jaw surgery is. Now, to put it very simply, this surgery is used to correct upper and lower jaws with distorted shapes and sizes. So this is actually a very common problem, and in fact, if you look around, you'll find quite a few people with either very protruding lower jaws, very small upper jaws, very gummy smiles, or even faces in which one side of the face is quite smaller than the other side, or asymmetrical faces. So all of these problems can really benefit from corrective jaw surgery. In this surgery, we basically move the jaws into a more balanced position, which gives a more proportionate looking face, and it also improves jaw function. So the main purpose of today's talk is to understand and realize that many people with these problems actually tend to opt for easy fixes and camouflage solutions like getting braces to get their teeth fixed or getting a touch up of the overlying skin without addressing the main problem, which is the jaw size and position. Now, these solutions can actually mask the deformity to some extent, but they do not give the best outcome. The best outcome, in fact, is given by corrective jaw surgery, but not everybody understands the procedure and its benefits. Now, let's understand this with a simple analogy. Can you imagine walking on two legs with one leg considerably shorter than the other? No, that seems impossible to imagine. So just like both your legs work together in performing the function of balancing and supporting your body weight and walking, both your jaws also work together to perform the vital function of eating. So if either of your jaws is out of proportion, apart from giving you an unesthetic facial appearance, it can significantly reduce your chewing function. Also, these jaws, they function as part of a masticatory or a chewing system. This system also involves the masticatory or jaw muscles, the jaw joint, and the dentition. So we can see that poor jaw function or chewing function can have long-term side effects on these tissues as well. And these could be chronic headaches, joint clicking, or even reduced mouth opening. So it is important to correct the jaws whenever they are out of balance. Now let's talk about the procedure itself. In this surgery, what we do is we separate the jaw bones from the rest of the facial skeleton and just slide it into the new correct position. This new position is actually decided before the surgery after extensive planning, which helps us to decide what the best position is, considering the best way in which the upper and lower teeth can meet with each other and also give you the best facial contour. We then fix the jaws in this new position using plates and screws. Now, this entire surgery is actually done from inside the oral cavity or from inside the mouth, and it leaves no scars on the face. And you can appreciate your new facial contours within a few weeks.